Welcome to our channel, Lens Kashif. Today's vlog, guys, is the finale of our Joiners Tour package of Palawan, and part 1 and 2 focused on our journey from Puerto Princesa to El Nido. And while we were there in El Nido, we enjoyed island hopping, enjoyed the beautiful beaches, as well as kayaking on the amazing looking lagoons. So now here we are back in Puerto Princesa, to get a chance to experience one of the wonders of the Philippines called the Underground River. So after checking in with our tour guide, me and Lynn just hung out by the actual waiting area till it was time to set sail. Now the weather and the overall boat ride journey was nice, but we definitely had a few uh-oh moments when we came across the high tide waves, since this was a smaller boat compared to the ones that was used in the island hopping tour. So after about 30 minutes, we arrived. Once we arrived on shore, me and Lynn took, of course, great pics and clips before actually checking in with our tour guide to get further details on the overall itinerary once we get inside the actual underground river and what to actually expect once we get to the actual cave area. And after once again checking in with our tour guide, we got our safety equipment and hard hat and made a short commute through the jungle. Now, the underground river is not just a river itself, it's also as a national park. And while there, we saw a variety of different birds as well as monkeys. Big ad. Now, the underground river is 8.2 kilometers long and flows directly to the actual sea. It consists of many branching paths and chambers, and is all due to years of erosion, and by doing so, created a lot of different variety of rock formations in the actual cave.
Finally po po ma'am sir, all of you are our first time here po. Yes po. Apo. Again everyone, welcome to the one of the new seven wonders. Yan. Kadawi again,
And during the tour, every guest on board wore headphones of a pre-recorded audio explaining the history as well as the fun facts about the underground river.
yeah, but here we go that bata.
Garlic. Yan, corn.
Kakao po. Kakao. Okay, that's the corn. And this one. And this one that look like Holy Family. Look at the shadow.
The Holy Family.
Mm-hmm.
It's like Joseph and Maria.
Mm-hmm.
Cucumber and 1/4 kilo of sayote.
Sayote.
And that's the cabbage and the largest peanut ever. Peanut butter.
Oh, I see.
Right, everyone just look straight po at the right side. Look at this small one up there. Does that look like po Virgin Mary?
Oh, ano.
Iceberg.
I see.
Here po. Just like hanging to upside down. Ew. Hanging shit. Just only Batman can do that. Batman po, that old man. Sorry to our once again, my name is RJ. You're a good man. And everyone, sir, before we go down.
And here we are while heading back. I got a chance to capture this monkey just hanging out, watching everybody come in and out the underground river area. So that was really cool to see him just hanging out, chilling like that. Now, Lynn and I both prefer the Joiner experience, not only because it's cheaper than private, but to be able to meet and interact with different people who enjoy traveling and sharing their adventure with one another. I look forward to my next adventure since I come back to Philippines every year. There's still so many beautiful islands and cities to see. So it's never a dull moment in the Philippines, and I'm grateful to call this place my home away from home.
Once again, thank you guys for the love and support to our channel. Till next time, see ya!